In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the SiteAudit Analyzer to a database. Now, after you install SiteAudit, you'll notice in the Program Files Metaphor SiteAudit, we have a folder called Content Analyzer here. And in here's the templates for the SiteAudit Analyzer. And we can open any of these by double-clicking one. All right, so I'm going to do that. And that opens up Excel. And by default, this message pops up that says you've just opened a SiteAudit Analyzer template containing sample data. Select the SiteAudit tab and click Refresh All button to view your data. Okay, so we come over here, click the SiteAudit tab, and this Refresh All button is grayed out. Now that's because we don't have a server selected yet, and we have to select a server. Well, how do we know what server we need to connect to? Well, by default, it will point to whichever server you have pointed your viewer to. So prior to opening Excel, you would have connected your SiteAudit viewer and licensed it. And if you come over here to the database, you can see that we're connected to a server called Ridgeback, and the database is T000 by default. Okay, and if we look in Analyzer here, if we select this, we see Ridgeback here, and by default database T000 is selected, and now we can click Refresh All and get data from that database. Okay, now it's also possible to select from any other databases that you may have access to, and you may also want to use a key file to connect to the database, and you can do that by selecting Connect with Key File, pointing to a key file, and now SiteAudit will go out to this new server and point to a new database, and you can refresh your data and collect data from that database. Okay, and then again we can go back to our default here. Select Refresh All, and SiteAudit will pull in the data from that database and update all your charts. Okay, so that's how you connect to a database in SiteAudit Analyzer.